Good morning, Panther Cubs. Happy Monday. Before you should be checking this with the video, it should already be completed. Please don't watch this video until you've already actually done the work. So if you've done the work, continue watching. If you have not done the work, stop the video, finish the morning work, and then watch the video. So let's look at the first one. What digit is in the hundredths place in the number 923? So I'm going to make an HTO chart, hundreds, tens, ones, and I'm going to put the number 923 in my HTO chart. That will help me figure out what digit is in the hundreds place. So if I'm looking for hundreds, I'm going to go to the H. The digit means what number. The digit is a 9, so the answer to number 1 is 9. Okay, number 2, write 2 related addition facts for 20 minus 13. So to start, we're going to start by actually solving 20 minus 13. Because I need to know, if I'm doing related facts, I need to know what all 3 numbers are. So first, I need to start with 20 minus 13. So if I'm doing 20 minus 13, I could be thinking 13 plus what gives me 20? Or I could just do the counting up. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, some of you probably already knew that straight in your head without having to do any sort of math to figure that out. So I know that my 3 numbers are 13, 7, and 20. And I want to do 2 related addition facts. So if I'm doing addition facts, that means that I need to have the biggest number, the total, be on the right-hand side. So both of them need to equal 20. Because remember, your number at the top is your biggest one, and that's going to be, in addition, what it's equal to. If it was subtraction, that's what we start with. So now we're going to take the other 2 numbers, 13 and 7, and equals 20. And then 7 plus 13 equals 20. So I'm just taking, remember in a fact family, you have to have all 3 numbers. So I'm taking my 3 numbers that I found to rearrange them using the commutative. Oh, I ran out of room. Commutative means that I can do the numbers in any order, but it's still going to equal the same thing. Number 3, we're looking at a clock. So I want to know, remember, hour is a short word. So it is the shorthand. Minute is a long word, so it is the longhand. Minute has 6 letters, it's long. Hour only has 4, it's short. So I'm looking at the clock and I'm looking to see, where is the shorthand pointing? Well, I see this one goes all the way out, so the shorthand is pointing to the 11. So my hour would be 11. And now I'm looking to see the longhand. Well, I see that it's pointing at the 2. But if I know I'm doing minutes, I don't go 1, 2. I'm going to be counting by 5s. So we start at 0 at the top. We go 5, 10. So 11, 10 is my answer for what time is shown on the clock. Okay. And the last one, the word problem. If you didn't do UPSC, pause the video now and do UPSC to show your work. So I'm going to get my UPSC drawn. UPSC. Remember, U stands for understand. What is the important information in the problem? So I'm going to go sentence by sentence in the problem to figure out what is important. Remember, usually numbers and questions are important. So let's see. I'm going to read the whole problem once and then we'll go sentence by sentence. During the first week of the month, Kevin drank 42 glasses of water. During the second week, he drank 37 glasses of water. And during the third and fourth week, he drank 74 glasses of water. How many glasses of water did Kevin drink during the month? So if we go sentence by sentence, we're going to start at the beginning. During the first week of the month, Kevin drank 42 glasses of water. So we have a number in there. Usually numbers are important. So I'm going to say first week, he drank 42 glasses. During the second week, he drank 37 glasses of water. And before I go on to the and part, I'm going to do that first part of the sentence. So it says during the second week, he drank 37 glasses. And remember, we don't need to rewrite the sentences. We need to just pull out the important information and their labels, because labels are important. Otherwise, we don't know what 42 means or what 37 means. So we go to the next part of the sentence. And during the third and fourth week, he drank 74 glasses of water. So that doesn't mean during the third he drank 74 and during the fourth he drank 74. It means combined. So third and fourth were 74 glasses. If it was each week, they would have said during the third and fourth week he drank 74 glasses of water each week. But since we don't see the word each in there, we know that it means the third and fourth together. Okay, and the last sentence says, how many glasses of water did Kevin drink during the month? We know that question is always something we need to understand, because if we don't know what the question is asking us, we can't even begin to solve the problem. So how many glasses of water did Kevin drink during the month? So we're going to just say how many glasses. Okay, so now we can go over to plan. Remember, plan means what am I going to need to do in order to solve using the information that's given to me? Well, I see that I have 3 numbers, which means that this is going to be more than one step. So I know I have at least 2 steps. So I'm thinking, what does the question really mean? How many glasses of water did Kevin drink during the month? What is that asking me for? Well, it kind of is thinking, well, how many glasses in all did he drink? So that means if I'm thinking about, if I want to find a total amount that he drank, I'm going to be doing addition. So I'm going to add the first plus the second, and then I'm going to do the sum. Remember, because the answer to an addition problem is called the sum, plus the third and fourth. And that should give me my final answer. I've used the first, check it off. I used the second, check it off. I used the third and fourth, check it off. So therefore, all of my pieces of information have been used. So now when I do my solve, I'm going to go through and do each step. So the first step asked me the first plus the second. So do 42 plus 37. So 2 plus 7 is 9. 4 plus 3 is 79. 4 plus 3 is 7, so 79. So in the first and second month. Now before I go on to step 2, I'm going to check it, because if I do something wrong in the first step, that's going to mess up my whole problem. So to check, if I had addition, I'm now going to do subtraction. I'm going to work my way from the bottom back to the top. So 79 minus 37 hopefully will give me 42. 9 minus 7 is 2. 7 minus 3 is 4. And my 42 and 42 matched up. So now I can go on to step number 2. Step number 1 is done. So step number 2 says the sum, how much in the first and second, and we're going to add it to the third and fourth. So 79 plus 74. 9 plus 4 is 13, but I can't put I can't put the whole 13 down. I need to put the 10 in the tens column. So I know 7 plus 7 is 14, that's a doubles fact. Plus 1 more is 15. So I'm going to get a total of 153 glasses. Now I'm going to make sure to circle my answer, and then I can check it. and that's step 2. So in order to check addition, I'm going to do subtraction. I'm going to go from the bottom and work my way back to the top. So 153 minus 74 should give me 79. So let's see. The bigger number's on the bottom, so that means I need to go next door to borrow 10 more. 13 minus 4, if you don't know it, count from 4 to 13. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 9. Again, oh, where's my bigger number? My bigger number is on the floor, so I need to go next door to borrow 10 more. 14 minus 7. Well, I know there's a connection there because I know that 7 and 7 is 14. So 14 minus 7 would be 7, which is what we started with. So our answer checks out. So our final answer is the 153 glasses of water.